Hello, hi, and welcome back to the video series lecture. In this video, we are going to talk about quality characteristics ISO IEC 25010 and 2011, that is 2011. So, quality characteristics has some functions and it is reliable, it is usable, efficient, and maintainable and portable. So, whenever we talk about quality, we talk about its functionality, its operations, and these operations are always reliable to each other. And one operation is done, and accordingly, the other will process. So, it's a reliable one, interconnected and intercooperated. It is usable. The characteristics of qualities are very much usable, and their efficiency and maintainability and their portability is at the peak. So you can use the characteristics of quality in the service, in the product, or maybe in the mixed product or services category of manufacturing process. There are technical processes in ISO IES 12207 is to 2008. Number one thing is development. We need to develop the requirement. We need to develop the requirement analysis. We need to develop the architectural design. We need to develop implementation process. We need to develop the integration and testing process. We need to develop installation and acceptance of that particular technical process. Then we need to think about operations, maintenance, disposal, etc. Processes and characteristics. So process is nothing but development and its characteristics is nothing but functionality, usability. The process operation has a characteristics of reliability, efficiency. The process maintenance has the characteristics of maintainability and portability. Roles and characteristics. Role architecture role characteristics reliable efficiency and portability. Developer's role functionality maintainability. Designer role usability. Sub-characteristics or factors. Sub-characteristics is suitability, factors is of user, accuracy is of user, and security is of environment, interoperability is of environment. Sub-characteristics, operability, environments, understandability is of users, and attractiveness is of users, and learnability is of users factor. Then when we talk about reliability, the sub-characteristics is of maturity and technological factors connected it. And fault tolerance is connected with environmental factor, recoverability is connected with its tool of require factors. Then when you talk about efficiencies, its sub-characteristics or factors. Sub-characteristics is time behavior and factor is technology. Then resource utilization, factor is tool. So accordingly, we need to talk about functionalities. Then maintainability, subfunctions or subcharacteristics and efforts, analyzability, identify a change, changeability, introduce a change, testability, verify a change, stability, avoiding the negative impact of a change, portability, so subcharacteristics and efforts, instability, install a product, adaptability, support a new specific support a new operation or operating environment, replaceability, replace a component, approaches. There are various approaches. Number one is load balancing, stateless protocol, redundancy, graceful degradation, switch over, and failure. It is just to make you understand that these approaches are available and then these styles are available. So we are not going in detail as it is not required as per the syllabus. Only information is required. So style is event driven, resource oriented, and self-contained. So these are the information about the characteristic tool of quality or quality characteristics. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep studying. If you like the videos, click on the bell icon, subscribe the channel, share, like, comment, and praise each and every video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.